This trade took me over an hour, and at the end of the day, okay, let's see. Let me not spoil the fun. So, this is NFP week. So what I was thinking is, I don't want to do too much, and I'm lowering the expectation on myself because it's NFP week. I don't want to try to force too much on price, and I'm not using my live account, the $3 baby account. I'm using my let me call it dream account, but it's demo. Maybe demo we call it. So what I'm using is $100,000, 100K, which is nothing, I think. Which is nothing because soon in this channel we're going to be trading more than that. Watch. So 100K demo account was what I intended to trade, but most importantly, it's not the account I am trading, be it live or demo, that is important for me. What's important for me is my analysis. My analysis is what is important for me. This week is NFP. Why? Because there's NFP Friday tomorrow. Tomorrow Friday is NFP news. This is me setting my limit order, targeting 10,000 bucks, risking 1,700 bucks. That's $1,700. So yeah, I've placed my limit order below that low, exactly where I placed buy on TradingView, as you can see. This video was sped up, and these candlesticks are moving this slow. Like, this is over an hour, literally compressed all the way to, is it 10 minutes? This video, I think this video is gonna be about 10 minutes or so. So yeah, so what I did was I decided to wait for my buy entry to be triggered, because that very level is where I'm looking at trader stop. How I trade is, I trade more like you call it as, I look for pre in the marketplace to come and cannibalize on. So traders who fall victim, they are the one I am targeting, and that place I placed a buy, lots of traders stop loss are there the moment they see the market is about to start pulling to the upside. So that's the reason why my entry is there. That's how I trade. So in my mind, I was thinking price could take off. Yeah, it literally could do that. It could take off from here it is right now and just bam through my target, my buy side target, which is that FVG at 7 a.m. low. So I pointed it out that failure to touch inefficiency bullish signature. Aha, my entry has been triggered. So trading terminal has seen already on profit of over $1,000. Yeah. So already reading on profit. After my entry got triggered, it gave a very good reaction away from it. So I pointed it out that my buy entry has been triggered. Patience. I had to be patient. This thing might look like it's fast, but it's not fast though. It's not fast at all. This was a very sluggish price run. This trade was very, 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 very sluggish. The trade won't kill me, but I kill him, sha. For me, I don't internalize losing trade. Even though I take losing trades, I don't internalize it. Like, mentally, I see myself being successful already. That's how I think. And we're going to see how that pans out in this channel over time. Because I intend to take that $3 account first. I'm making $5 target on this channel. Okay, so see, my equity $100,000 demo account is now 102,000 dollars now. So reading on profit, nearly $3,000 already in profit. Some people are going to be like, his demo account is trading. Yeah, whatever. I take my demo on my live account. Over $3,500 now in profit. I shifted my stop loss to risking just $1,000. I wanted to take partial at that high, but price quickly rejected away from it. So I took half partial. I took half partial of about, I think about, was this 700 bucks? 700 bucks, yeah. I just took partial of 700 bucks right there. Yes. So if it goes against me, it's fine. And then I locked in. I placed in a risk of 200 bucks. So that $200, even though I lose the $200, it doesn't matter. My trade is going to be on profit. At that point, I've locked in profit. How I'm mentalizing is that pay the trader. Pay the trader. So yeah, this is me pointing out that I wanted to take first partial there, but price rejected too quickly, so I had to be flexible. So took something off first, pay the trader. That's what I'm pointing out. Pay the trader. So now targeting $5,000, locking in $300. That is this plus closed profit $700. That's $1,000 in profit already locked in. So I already locked in $1,000 in profit at that point in time. Yeah, this is me stating that. I have to be talking fast with this stuff. So as seen, price is pulling away from my entry beautifully well. This is me shifting my stop loss on TradingView. That's a more ideal place to put my stop loss now. The market has moved quite away from my entry. So yeah, I'm taking first partial at that high. Then I'll leave the rest to run to my full profit target. That's the target one. Okay, that's my full profit target. To run to target one was what I meant. So I'm seeing this as a fake buy breakout, and a run against them should bring a clean movement to the upside. That clean movement, that was what I was looking for. Beautiful, just what I want to see. So the trade is currently up over $2,000, as you can see. Already up over $2,000. And I had to shift my stop loss again to lock in extra $500, because like these people, their commission is crazy and I don't understand what they're doing. I don't understand what they're doing with their commission. A demo account for that matter. Man, a live account, you're gonna get smoked. You're gonna get smoked by commission. It's crazy. So that's me locking in $500 that if it takes me out, it's fine. It's fine. I wanted to go off the trade with $1,000, over $1,000. Yeah, so I then pointed out that if it should stop me out, no problem. At this point in time, I was thinking about taking off this trade, so I would lock in at least $2,000. But $1,200, the market decided not to give me. It's NFP, so I'm lowering my expectation on myself. I'm not even supposed to. NFP, ICT says NFP week, you should be done with your trading from between Monday to Wednesday. So Thursday and Friday are not good days to trade, and this is proof. Look at that drop down. That drop down was just crazy. Not really giving anyone opportunity to sell. It dropped down explosively. So I was pointing out that I didn't want to see it come back to the lower half of that inefficiency that I have marked out there. Yep. This trade was slow, Hey! The trade was freaking slow. Too much back and forth movement. I had pointed it out, and this thing, I had noticed it in the morning during London session, that this trade is going to give issues. I don't know how I knew. Okay, yeah, I think I was able to point it out before the fact that trade today is going to be problematic. So which means what I'm learning from this trade is that next time during NFP week, if I should get opportunity to enter like this and my account is reading on profit, 2 risk to reward is okay. That 2 risk to reward, if I had taken that 2 risk to reward profit, it's okay. But regardless, I intentionally did not take it. So if I was given another chance, I still would not take it. I would leave some extra profit to run. That's how I like it. And yeah, it stopped me out. That's where it stopped me out. And this is me showing the PNL, $500, $700. So I am up $1,100. So it's more like a break even, but on profit. So I was stopped out on this trade on profit because I had locked in $1,000. $1,200. I don't know where the $200 went with these people's commission. It's crazy. $200 for commission. That's insane. So, and this is it stopping me out on TradingView itself. So which means if I didn't lock in profit, the whole stop loss would have been taken. And this is me pointing out that I'm seeing price reaching for that sell side, NDOG high, new day opening gap high, and yeah, That's all. I think I'll stop here now. And the macro, me pointing out the macro, that target one is still my target, but what I was thinking at this point in time was I want to see price drop down and reach for that NDOG before going higher to my target. So yeah, that's it. Exactly. What's wrong with TradingView? Because Biala, don't come on. Uh-huh. So price did quite exactly what I was thinking. It dropped down to that new day opening gap, but it still hasn't given me my target one. The hell? Still okay, okay. It came pretty close to my target one. So, yup, exactly what I was expecting. I was looking to go long, but this is kind of similar with what happened yesterday. So I got stopped out on profit this time around. I no agree for them. And this is that new day opening gap, which I had pointed out in the morning session. I traded London session today, and if people want me to be posting both London, because I trade London and New York, but I think I just post only New York since that's the one that's pertinent. So if people want me to be posting both London and New York session trades, all you have to do is tell me in the comment section, and if the people telling me to do London session are much, and I'm going to, I think that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, price got to the new day opening gap, and then this quadrant here. Let me make it more visible. This daily quadrant. Yeah. So normally I'll be looking for sensitivity at this daily quadrant here. Price found sensitivity at the low and then consequent encroachment and use that to pull to the upside, and then this and that thing again I'm going to use to look for support from. Aha. And as seen, price found support here, and normally I won't buy. I'll be waiting for some kind of a fake buy breakout. Looking at this as a fake buy breakout, there is a low here. Once this low gets taken out, this is probably where I would be buying this market. Right here, this is where I'll look to buy. Guys, if I was here, if I was present to take this trade, which I wasn't, I had other things I had to do. And price used the midnight open again for support. And what I am looking at from here, look at the time currently. Look at the time currently. So this is real time. Here is that market replay stuff. This is a live market right now in US 100. No. So my idea is for price to use this to act as support to this FVG, and it already has reacted to the consequent encroachment. So price is most likely currently reacting to this, and yeah, that's it. So price is still yet to reach for my target one, but I think it has gotten to the partial. Yeah, that's pretty close, and that's it for today. Yup, that's all. So I began the trade with the account on $100,000 and closed on $101,000. So that's okay if you ask me.